Hi everybody, it's Dr. Michele Drake and I'm here today with Nicole who's going to ask some questions that are frequently asked about feline parasites.
All right, Dr. Drake, can all intestinal parasites be prevented?
Yes, all intestinal parasites can be prevented by determining what type they have and treating them and setting you up on a regular preventative program.
How does my cat get intestinal parasites?
So cats can get intestinal parasites. They can be transmitted in utero. So when the kitten is still in the mother's uterus, they can be passed through the placenta. Or after they're born, they can pick them up from other cats in the household, the mom, or certainly other cats in their household when they become adults, or from a humane society, or when they go outside and they're out and about, they can pick them up from other cats too.
Can my indoor cat still get intestinal parasites?
Yeah, so it's really not likely that your indoor cat is going to pick them up, but we have found cats that have lived in households for up to 2 years and they bring in a fecal and they still are positive. So the reality of it is parasites can be pretty tenacious, and so the products that we use for deworming are really good. They're super safe, and every cat should be dewormed a minimum of once a year, even if they're an indoor cat.
What can I do to prevent tapeworm?
So tapeworm is transmitted by fleas and the flea dirt and flea eggs. So we want to keep fleas completely 100% under control, and therefore your cat will not pick up tapeworms.
Is there a medication to prevent my cat from getting intestinal parasites?
Yeah, we have great medications anymore. Like I said, if your cat's an outdoor cat, we're going to want them on medication once a month. If they're an indoor cat only, we may use medication that's going to be maybe every 2 times a year or once a year.
How can I keep my cat from passing on intestinal parasites to other pets in the household?
By using a deworming regular that your veterinarian recommends, we'll keep them from transmitting between pets, and certainly also we don't want them transmitted to people, so that's the best way to go.
And that goes on to our last question. Can any intestinal parasites be passed on to people?
Yeah, parasites, there's a couple of parasites that are specifically scary. Roundworm and hookworm can be transmitted to humans, and we never want children to be exposed to parasites. So we as veterinarians are also concerned about your family's health. We want to make sure that there are no parasites and no one in the family would ever be exposed to them. So please come in and let us help you figure out the best deworming for all your animals in your household, and let us know about the ones that live outside. Sometimes people have an outdoor cat and they kind of fail to mention that one, but we don't want that one being a chronic source of parasites that the family can be exposed to. So if you have any questions, give us a call at the Drake Center.